All right. So, so this is how we are predicting HDFC Bank. Uh, Basically, this was the channel that I had created a few days ago, saying that this is the bottom and this is where the top is, and there is movement which will happen there. We were also able to predict that the bottom has arrived somewhere over here by doing this because what we observed was that volumes, especially over here, were quite low as compared to this, right? So doing that basically gives us a very good idea. And then we also compare it with our some of our algos, some of the indicators. So over here also, if you see, this did give us an indication. This you can see the rainbow line crossing over. Basically, tells that something is going to happen here. But we did have a positive indication from here. Yes, the RSIs were around the edge of turning, but still there was a slightly scope that it could go down. So, anyways, um, so then we waited, and then here is where we entered, uh, and the entry was simple. Over here or here we entered 29th September. So the entry was simple, right? It touched the bottom. The RSI had shown a reversal. This indicator over here was not very useful, but it was showing signs of conversion. And well, yes, this has crossed over earlier itself. So this was positive. This was showing positive. This was positive. So two out of four are positive. One was indicating towards positives, and we went ahead. Ideally, we would have tried to keep the count as two, but yes, that is the reason why we went ahead. And now, if you see today, this is what the movement looks like. One, two, three, four big candles, right? This is obviously there are gaps. So this it has to come to this level, 950s level. Or maybe here it will float around. This is where I'm expecting it to close 950, 960. So because there's a gap which it has left here, this gap it has covered. So let's see. Let's see. Or it might end at 960, 623. So let's see.